Hey guys, beautiful Saturday, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we are in the middle of, what do you call it, sir? Price right.
Price.
Yes man, price is right, them say. Busy Saturday afternoon. A little bit overcast. We don't really mind still in the rain or shine, we have to get the packages to you. Right now, anywhere, anytime. That is how we do it. Hey guys, you've been watching our videos. Why haven't you signed up yet? Come on, it's been a while. Now, you should sign up for a free shipping account with us so you can be one of our Prime members. Yeah, when you sign up, also sign up for a Platinum membership, which allows you to get 4 free shipping coupons for the year. You're missing out. Why are you missing out on all of this? Come on, be a part of the family. You know how we do it. Sign up, click the link up here. Check out at the bottom of our webpage for the promotions link. You'll know all that we're doing all day, every day. Looking forward to seeing you.
All right.